Ahoy, future cruisers! Ready to embark on an unforgettable journey across the seas? Wondering what to pack for smooth sailing? We've got you covered with the essentials. Let's get into the must-haves. First up, don't forget your sunscreen. It's a lifesaver under the blazing sun. Trust me, lobster red is not a good look. Protect your skin and enjoy your trip. Next, grab a reusable water bottle. It's eco-friendly and keeps you hydrated. Stay hydrated without contributing to ocean pollution. Every little bit helps. Packing a power strip could save you from fighting over outlets. With limited plugs in cabins, it's a must. Got seasickness? Bring motion sickness bands or meds. No one likes hugging the toilet on vacation. Be prepared. Also, a highlighter pen is super handy for marking daily activities. Keep track of all the fun events, and don't forget your swimwear. You'll need it for the pool, beach, and all water activities. You'll practically live in it. Make sure to pack a couple of options. For evening dinners, pack a couple of nice outfits. Dressing up is part of the cruise experience. And a light jacket is a lifesaver for those breezy nights on deck. Remember, less is more. Space is tight, so think versatile and compact. Choose items that can be mixed and matched. Ready to pack like a pro? Bon voyage! Enjoy your cruise and make unforgettable memories.